Hello and welcome to the program that takes you on a ride in 25 minutes to seek out innovation and creativity that are unique to Africa. On this week's edition, young FinTech and AI enthusiasts participate in the Niger SDGs hackathon with the theme From Promise to Cash. Also, watch out for my conversation with Dr. Fine Osakwe, a global cybersecurity leader and a member of the Forbes Technology Council, on navigating the cybersecurity landscape in 2024. We'll give you more in a moment. This is Tech Trends, and I am Olayemi Odunuga.
Technology can become the wings that will allow the educational world to fly farther and faster than ever before, if we allow it.
Young, talented FinTech and AI enthusiasts have participated in a hackathon to create local value and contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals. The Niger SDGs AI and FinTech hackathon, with the theme From Promise to Cash, aims to create a FinTech ecosystem that not only sustains success, but also transforms the financial landscape for a greener and more equitable world.
It's a journey of innovation and impact at the Niger SDGs FinTech hackathon, anchored on the theme From Promise to Cash.
To VS Code or other code editors.
The hackathon aims to drive innovation and address the United Nations 2030 Sustainable Development Goals by introducing an artificial intelligence component.
People don't want wallets. They want value. And it's really crazy because I tell people at our bar we're not innovating yet. We're not disrupting anything yet. We're still just providing the basics. People just want value. People want to be able to go to a hospital and not pay. People want to be able to pay rent on a monthly basis. People want to be able to know that I am sick and I know that I can wait till I'm whole before I go back to work. Unfortunately, Nigeria doesn't allow you to do that. So when you start telling people about, oh, there's this wallet, there's this, this digital thing that does this, the person's like, I just want to eat. I just want to eat. So we are going down to the basics of trying to create sustainable futures for the gig workers.
The hackathon began online with over 500 teams from across the country coming together to build solutions in blockchain, AI, fintech, and digital identity. The top 9 teams were then invited to physically present their innovative ideas.
When you create a loan, it's going to get sent to the person that wants the loan. Then the person is going to review the loan, because after you create the loan, the AI has already generated a legally compliant PDF format that suits your terms. So now, the person is going to review, okay, yeah, I agree with this, then sign, then accept. Then through the platform, you can actually make payments.
Yeah, the generative AI feature is what I'm very proud of myself, which allows users to generate personalized QR codes and enhancing security and providing a tailored touch in financial transactions. The impact of our project enhances security and personalization, promotes financial inclusion, fostering trust in financial transactions, and empowers users to educational engagement.
We believe that for every 10 persons we provide these services to, we would have saved one life. We have saved the life of someone's mother, someone's father, someone's uncle, someone's sister. We want a cultural shift in healthcare. I know a lot of questions are going to come about, okay, how are you going to make this possible? The healthcare system is archaic. But I'll tell you, the healthcare system in Nigeria is getting better. As I told you, I work for a company that already does something in health tech, right? So healthcare is getting better in Nigeria, and we can leverage on technology to make it better. We just need to abstract all of this seriousness, all of the complex stuff from it.
We're really excited to work with young, talented Nigerians to build solutions to make SDGs possible. So the solutions include solutions that enhance financial inclusion, solutions for payments, and also solutions with blockchain and Web3. As part of the Niger SDGs FinTech AI Hackathon, there's a post-hackathon incubation phase. So this post-hackathon incubation phase includes supporting all of the winning teams through a startup incubation process, together with funding, which is unlocked by the participants for every milestone they meet. So we believe that this will add a lot of value to the economy.
The hackathon was designed to promote young talent focused on crafting AI and fintech solutions that enhance sustainable development.
We presented a solution that is catered for the excluded in the fintech industry, for those that are not included, by providing them multilingual support and AI-powered voice command transaction system that can carry out transactions based on their language and their voice. The idea actually came from my friend and my mom, because she wasn't a very literate woman, so I happened to help her to carry out transactions most of the times. So I thought, why shouldn't be a fintech application where even if she doesn't speak English and her formal language can be used to carry out transactions without any stress.
We just want to meet quite a lot of the UN goals. We want to increase crop production. We want increase in food supply in Nigeria, in Africa as a whole. Then we also want to make sure that we are moving with the times, because our goal is to impact the agricultural sector positively. But we want to make sure that our farmers are not left behind. They are actually aware of the trends, the changing climate, and so many other factors that is leading to impeding getting the best out of their crops and crop production. Just basically getting the most with the little resources that we have in the agricultural sector.
The vision of the Niger SDGs FinTech Hackathon is to create a FinTech ecosystem that not only sustains success, but also transforms the financial landscape for a greener world.
In another project that didn't make it to the finals.